Hi, this video will tell you how to stock count. This gives you the flexibility to take stock. Step 1. Click Inventory, go to Stock Count, then click Add Count Task. Step 2. On the Add Count Task page, you need to select a warehouse, select the count type, then click Select Merchant SKU, or click Import Merchant SKU to bulk import SKU to stock take. After selecting Merchant SKU, click Generate Task at the top right corner. After the count task is generated, you can click Start Counting. Click Edit to modify this counting task or click Delete to delete this counting task. Step 3. After you click Start Counting in Step 1, the count task will move from to count to the counting status. You can click on Print Count List. Step 4. After the counting is finished, you need to click Finish Counting in Step 2. Then, you can find the count task in the completed status. You can click the Details button to view the stock taking details. If you have any other questions, please click here to contact us.